Well, in an interview with the Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins today, he gave me this information. 3 of Dallas's new confirmed cases are in critical condition. Here's what I want you to really understand tonight. One of those patients is in their 20s. A second patient is in their 30s. The third is in their 60s. None of them have any underlying medical conditions, and they are all believed to be cases of community spread. This is why a patchwork approach to guidelines is not going to work.
Every single day, multiple times a day, we move through city limits and cross county lines. At this intersection in Carrollton, Dallas, Denton, and Collin counties all come together. While some cities are instituting strict takeout-only policies at restaurants, not all are. During lunch Tuesday, a Hooters in Louisville was open for business as usual. Across I-35, Chili's was seating every other table. And while people were working out at a gym a few blocks away, Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins was telling me this in an interview via FaceTime.
But of the 5 community spread cases that we reported today, 3 of them are in critical condition in hospitals. That's somebody in their 20s, somebody in their 30s, and another person in their 60s. So this disease is nothing to play with, no matter what your age is.
Jenkins says this proves it's time for all of Texas to take action. And the White House seems to back him, saying all of America should take action.
You can look at them as guidelines, you can look at them as requirements, and you can look at them as the president asking every American in every state to follow those.
Jenkins is pressuring the governor to do what Dallas has done. Close gyms, bars, restaurants, theaters across the state. Because this virus, just like the rest of us, can cross any border anytime.
I mean this with the utmost respect because, hey, there are no easy decisions left in this fight. This is a decision that he's uniquely in a place to lead on, and we need him to do it.
So many of us commute from one county to another on a daily basis, and so we feel the need to have a unified approach. But I just hung up with the governor's office, and here's what his spokesperson told me. They want to leave this in the county's hands and the community's hands because, as he said, what's right in Dallas and in Dallas County is not necessarily going to be right in a rural West Texas town. Chris, Cynthia.